When astronomers started a project that was organized to create a detailed 3D map of our galaxy, they didn't expect to find anything surprising. But that's exactly what happened. Earlier in that year, Harvard scientist Dr. Anna Bonacca noticed a weird disturbance in our galaxy's stellar streams. A stellar stream is a line of stars that are moving together through galaxies. The stellar stream we're talking about is called GD1, and it's stretched in an impressive line across our sky. This stream used to be a cohesive line, stretched by the gravity of our galaxy. One day, Dr. Bonacca noticed a gap in it, and this gap had a strange, ragged edge. In fact, it looked like something terrifyingly huge recently plunged through the stellar stream. The sheer force of this object's gravity was so great that it managed to drag stars in its wake. The most shocking thing was that the telescopes simply failed to find the source of the damage. But then, what could this unseen bullet be? One theory suggests that the intruder is a stray star. But, according to Dr. Bonacca, the hole is way bigger than any existing star. It'd have to be 1,000,000 times more massive than our sun. Okay, so what if the hole in the Milky Way was torn by a supermassive black hole, like the one that dwells in the center of our galaxy? If these two black holes got too close, they wouldn't be able to escape each other's gravity. A collision might be inevitable. Then the stronger of the two holes would consume the weaker one, and one huge, super mighty black hole would appear. But people have yet to witness a collision of black holes. Plus, scientists can't predict the consequences of such a merge, even though they've simulated it on powerful computers. The only obvious fact is that it would produce incredible amounts of energy. Huge ripples would travel through the entire universe, bound to hit our planet eventually. Then again, two black holes in one galaxy might refuse to merge. Imagine this. A supermassive black hole hundreds of millions of times the mass of the Sun is spinning in the center of the Milky Way at a phenomenal speed. Another spinning black hole approaches ours. What do you think will happen? Right, one of the holes, most likely the intruder, will get kicked out and sent hurtling away like a frisbee flying through space. And who can guarantee that it wouldn't head toward the Earth? Luckily for us, there aren't any supermassive black holes in the vicinity, so this theory fails to explain the mysterious bullet hole phenomenon. Dr. Bonacca still doesn't rule out the possibility that the intruder is some kind of luminous, star-like object. After tearing a hole in the Milky Way, it could be hiding somewhere in the galaxy. But again, it seems highly unlikely because of the object's huge size. I mean, we're talking 30 to 65 light-years across. In any case, it's hard to predict where it would have ended up if it were a luminous object. The intruder could have been moving at an incredibly high speed and wouldn't have to be very massive to tear a hole in the stellar stream. Or it could have been moving more slowly, but be very heavy. But the astronomers don't know which option it was. That's why it's next to impossible to predict where it ended up.